Okay, it's me again. Tonight I am singing I Don't Care If You're Contagious by Pierce the Veil because right now this song relates to me on a cellular level, and it feels right to sing this song right now. So, here we go. Bury me into my night. I can lay you sleep all night. Put me next to the open window. Promise me a second time, 'cause I don't wanna leave without you buried by my side. They kill the one responsible for falling stars at night, 'cause they fall around me and I can be deadly. And they'll never take us alive. To live and love and die. Here inside in every reason he's fine. So if we're heading there together at the same time, kissing their iron drive. Move like a fugitive tonight. Dance on the MU and I spend my life vacation. We'll dance till enjoy your sight. And this is only a test. You've been scaring me to death. I'd rather take us alive. To live and love and die. And I don't care if you're sick, I don't care if you're contagious. I would kiss you even if you were dead. Would it make me go blind for the rest of my life? 'Cause I'd do anything to hold your hand. And I don't care if you're sick. Oh no, would somebody make me go blind for the rest of my life? 'Cause I'd do anything, anything, anything. Can you chase away the time you live in life and die? Never glory for the reasons we both. If we're heading there together, if we sing, oh no, oh no. I'm gonna tear out the thread one by one from your skin till you burn it, so all the intention gets in what I try. There you go. I hope you liked it, and like I said, this song does have some sentimental meaning to me, so yeah.